so fucking precious when you smile. Hit it from the back and drive you wild. Girl, I lose myself up in those eyes.
Welcome back to my channel. I'm Trinity. Today I'm going to be showing you how I slayed my bob, going from long and sleek hair to a nice, sexy, or cute, bouncy bob. So the hair I'm going to be using is Beauty Forever hair. This is not the same hair as you saw me in previous videos. I made a whole new wig for this particular hairstyle. Honestly, this hair is so beautiful straight. I do love the bob, but wow, like I could have rocked this hair straight too. Enough playing games. Let's go ahead and jump into this. I wasn't nervous cutting this bob just because I've actually cut a few of my bobs. All the bobs that you have seen on my channel, it has been cut by me. So I think I'm getting there. I actually picked up a fresh new pair of scissors because it's very important to have a very fresh pair of scissors when cutting hair. So I just do I would say a rough cut, just basically cutting off the obvious length that I'm not going to need. At this point, I'm just making sure that it is at the length that I want, and I'm just kind of playing with it, really just making sure that I'm satisfied with how long it is. Now I'm just trying to measure it to make sure that I'm cutting it perfect as possible. Since I add a whole lot of curl to my bobs, I really can kind of get away with not having the perfect cut. But I'm gonna try my best to cut it as perfect as possible. That is, of course, the goal. Now I'm just making sure to clean up any type of parts that are just sticking out. As you can tell, I'm extremely focused, really trying to make sure I do it as perfect as possible. The tool that I'm going to be using, the magic tool, this is what's going to make my bob look perfect. You can find this tool, I believe it's a razor. It's meant to cut hair and add layers into the hair. This was my first time ever using it, and I must say it's something that I'm very happy that I picked up, because usually I use a eyebrow razor. Now I'm about to start on the bang, and the bang is the most important part to me. It is the make it or break it for a bob. As you can see, I'm using the razor just lightly. Well, I wouldn't say lightly, but just going down the bang, being careful, making sure just to look at how much hair it's taking off. Moving on to the other side, just doing the exact same thing. Just really paying close attention to how much hair is being removed, trying to get it to match the other side of my head. The bang is everything to me, you guys. It's everything. Trinity is about to slay this bang. Watch closely. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you believe that you can cut a bob just like Trinity. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like this video. Shout out to these people for being part of the J team. Make sure you are bold, brave, and beautiful, and I'll talk to you on my next video. Bye.